Hello everyone and welcome back. It's late November, deer season's over, it was quite successful. In some of my prior videos I told you that I'm new to the AR or MSR platform. I have a 5.56, 6.5 Grendel, and now an AR-10 and 6.5 Creedmoor. The gun this Creedmoor that I bought was probably better than my ability because it is a precision arm. It has a 22-inch heavy profile barrel, PRS stock. It has a fat grip that I really like. It has a 6 by 24 by 50 scope on it. Um, but most importantly, it has a Timney Calvin Elite trigger. That Calvin Elite trigger is set at 1.5 pound pull, and it's probably better than my ability, but that doesn't mean that I shouldn't practice and get better. After all, it is a $350 trigger. So today that's what I'm doing. The target is set up at 100 yards. You can see it probably in the background there, etc. It's a nice day, about 41 degrees, no wind. I'm going to be shooting for groups and for familiarity with firearms today. They're not necessarily for load workup. Hopefully that's already accomplished. So I'm not going to bore you by watching me shoot, but at the end of this video I will show you the targets so that you can see how good this firearm, Aero Precision M5E1, works. So I'll see you after the shoot's over. As promised, I told you I would show you the results of shooting my Aero Precision 6.5 Creedmoor M5E1 and the results that I achieved by working up different types of loads. But I settled on this final load of using Reloader 23 and Speer Gold Dot 140 grain bullet set to magazine length, maybe a little bit less to ensure proper feeding. It has a Winchester large rifle primer. Yesterday was a pretty good day. As you can see, the two targets on the left starting down here were cold bore shots using the load without anything attached to the barrel, no chronograph or anything else. Yeah, for cold barrel, that's just right at 1 inch at 100 yards. But here's my workup loads. As you can see, I even have the information written down, starting at 41.5 grains of Reloader 23. The next group, as you can see, I pulled one shot up here, but there's those two, and that was using 42 grains, and then up to 42.5 grains. Yeah, I'll take that group pretty much any day of the week. Plus I had a low SD of 5, extreme spread of 11, and an average velocity of 27-25. The last one, and I stopped right there because I started to receive pressure signs, extractor marks on my case heads and flattened primers, even though this is well 2.5 grains below what's listed as max load, and that was 43 grains, and that's a pretty good group there as well. So what I settled on, as you can see, my 3 stars right there, was 42.5 at an average velocity of 27-25 feet per second. And here are the cold bore shots from yesterday's video. So I hope that helps. Don't necessarily use my load data. Obviously, anytime that you're loading for your own rifle, use either Hornaday's or Nosler's or Speer's or Sierra's book and go by their information alone, and go by what their recommendations are, is to start at
the starting charge and work up carefully, because no two rifles are alike. No two chambers are alike. No two barrels are alike. And the last thing you want to do is harm yourself or your rifle. Again, thanks for watching. I had a good day shooting. Catch you on my next video. Goodbye.